Welcome back to another week. My name is Derek. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the holidays. Today I'm going to quickly go over a few things that are going on with MobileSentrix, some of the videos that I recently put out, and some of the things to come. So let's get started. Now, if you missed a video where I showed how to replace the digitizer on an iPad 10, it's a great short video showing my tips and tricks on how to do a proper install of a digitizer. For some of you, it's something that you do on a daily basis, but maybe there's a tip and trick that I put in there that will help you in your repairs. And the latest video that I did was how to replace the 5G antenna on an iPhone motherboard, along with fixing the majority of the cases where there is searching no service, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth issues. So it's those two repairs in one video, and I go over every important step of the process. So if this is something that you run into where you've accidentally torn the 5G antenna, or you've run into phones that have searching no service, and there's not much that you can do about them, this video is for you. Now, as we're approaching the new year, this Thursday, January the 1st, all of the carriers will be closed. So make sure you're stocked up before then so that you don't miss out on any of the repairs that come into your shops. We also have genuine Apple parts for the MacBook Pro 14-inch, the M5, and the iPad Pro M5. So take a look at those new parts we have for those models. Monday through Wednesday of this week, shipping is going to be a little bit different. Overnight shipping, there's going to be some limitations to it. So if you're looking for that, make sure you don't miss the cutoff at noon Eastern Standard Time. Otherwise, 2-day express, FedEx Ground, and Amazon and USPS Ground are all available. If you've missed it, we introduced genuine Apple parts for the iPhone 17 series. There are a bunch of different parts for each one of those models. So take a look if you haven't and see if you can add those to the repairs that you do. And finally, one of the videos that I plan on putting out this week is going over all of the different tag-on flexes that we have. There are a bunch of different tag-on flexes, whether it's for the batteries, the front cameras, the rear cameras, the displays, and more. And I want to make sure that all of you fully understand what these are capable of and all of the uses for them. So if there's one in particular that you have a question about, let me know now in the comments below so that I can make sure I address it in that video. And of course, if there's something else that you'd like to see in a future video, let me know as well. If there's a repair or a tool that you'd like to see demonstrated, I'm happy to make that happen. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.